We present a list of actual equipment used by the Israel Defense Forces. Main battle tanks. Merkava Mark IV and 4M. Merkava Mark III. Armored personnel carriers. M113. IDF Xerat Heavy Armored Personnel Carrier. Nagmashon Heavy Armored Personnel Carrier. Nakbadon Heavy Armored Personnel Carrier. Namur Heavy Armored Personnel Carrier. Eitan Armored Fighting Vehicle / Armored Personnel Carrier. Utility Vehicles. Wolf. AIL Storm. HMMWV. MDT David. Plazan Sand Cat. Otokara Crep. JLTV. Trucks. AIL Abir. M35. Unimog 437. Hemd. Engineering Vehicles. Puma Heavy Combat Engineering Vehicle. Namur CEV Heavy Combat Engineering Vehicle. IDF Caterpillar D9 Combat Armored Bulldozer. IDF Caterpillar Excavators 330 and 349E Armored Tracked Excavator. IDF Caterpillar 966 Wheeled Loader Armored Wheeled Loader. M548 Alpha Cargo and Ammunition Carrier. M60 AVLB Armored Bridge Layer. Nemera Armored Recovery Vehicle. M88 Armored Recovery Vehicle. Nagmapop Command and Surveillance Vehicle. AIL Desert Raider Dune Buggy. Unmanned Vehicle. Guardium Unmanned Ground Vehicle. Dawn Thunder / Black Thunder Unmanned Armored Bulldozer. IDF D9T Panda Unmanned Armored Bulldozer. Viper. Artillery. M109 Door. M107. M110. M46. Sultam M71/M68. M113 Tammuz Missile Launching Vehicle. M270 Menetets Multiple Rocket Launcher. LAR 160 160mm artillery rocket. Pulse. Extended Range Artillery Rocket, Long Range Artillery Rocket. LORA Ballistic Missile. Air Defense. MIM-104 Patriot Surface-to-Air Missile. Iron Dome Air Defense Missile Battery / Anti-Rockets Missile. David Sling Medium to Long Range Anti-Ballistic Missile / Surface-to-Air Missile. Arrow Anti-Ballistic Missile. Terminal High Altitude Area Defense. Combat Aircraft. F-15 Eagle Multi-Role Aircraft. F-15E Strike Eagle Strike Fighter. F-16 Fighting Falcon Multi-Role Aircraft. F-35 Lightning II Stealth Multi-Role Aircraft. AEWNC Airborne Early Warning and Control. Boeing 707. Gulfstream G550. Reconnaissance. Super King Air. Gulfstream G550. Tanker. Boeing 707 Aerial Refueling. KC-130 Hercules Aerial Refueling and Transport. KC-46 Pegasus Aerial Refueling and Transport. Maritime Patrol. IAI Sea-Scan. Transport. Super King Air. C-130 Hercules. C-130J Super Hercules. Air Tractor at 802. Beechcraft Bonanza. Helicopter. AH-64 Apache Attack Helicopters. Bell 206 Utility Helicopters. Sikorsky UH-60 Utility Helicopters. Sikorsky CH-53 Heavy Lift Helicopters. Eurocopter AS-565 Search and Rescue Helicopters. Sikorsky SH-60 Anti-Surface Warfare Helicopters. Trainer Aircraft. M346 Lavi Advanced Trainer. T6 Texan II Intermediate Trainer. Grob G120 Basic Trainer. Unmanned Aerial Vehicle. IAI Aton. IAI Heron. Hermes 900. Hermes 450. IAI Harpy. IAI Harap. Elbit Skylark. Weaponry. MIM-104 Patriot surface-to-air missile. Arrow anti-ballistic missile. PB-500A1 laser-guided hard-target penetration bomb. CBU-58 cluster bomb. Mark 84 bomb. MPR-500 penetration bomb. Spice glide bomb. GBU-39 small diameter bomb. Python air-to-air missile. Popeye air-to-surface missile. Popeye Turbo SLCM suspected long-range submarine-launched cruise missile, suspected nuclear weapon carrier. Joint direct attack munition guided bomb. AGM-65 Maverick air-to-surface missile. AGM-88 HARM air-to-surface anti-radiation missile. AGM-114 Hellfire air-to-surface anti-tank missile. AIM-120 AMRAAM air-to-air missile. AIM-9 Sidewinder heat-seeking air-to-air missile. MIM-72 Chaparral surface-to-air missile. Delilah cruise missile. Iron Dome anti-rocket and mortar defense missile. David Sling surface-to-air missile. Jericho 2 intermediate range ballistic missile, suspected nuclear. Jericho 3 intercontinental ballistic missile, suspected nuclear. Submarines. Dolphin class. AIP Dolphin II class. Corvettes. SAR-5. SAR-6. Missile boats. SIR 4.5. Patrol boats. Devora. Super Devora Mk2. Super Devora Mk3. Shaldag. Defender. Raphael Protector USV Unmanned Naval Patrol Vehicles. Silver Marlin USV Naval Patrol Vehicles. Support ships. INS Bat Yam. INS Bat Galam. Commando boats. Dolphin-type underwater craft. Snoonid boats. Zaharan boats. Mulid boats. Morena rigid-hulled inflatable boats. Unmanned aerial vehicles. Aeronautics Defense Orbiter. Thank you for watching.